In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Bitget. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Bitget account. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 6,200 USDT and welcome and trading bonuses. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and click on the profile icon. Once you're on this page, we're going to scroll down and look for and tap on buy. Once you're on this page, under the buy section, we're going to look for USDT. If it's not already selected, you just tap on the arrow next to the crypto showing and select USDT from the list, or simply search for it in the search bar. After that, we're going to go over here and select your currency. You can simply do that by looking through the list or just searching for it in the search bar. Tap on your currency. Now the minimum amount of USDT that you can purchase is $4, so enter the amount that you want to purchase here. After you've done that, just go and tap on buy USDT now. On this next page, we're going to select our payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Bitget P2P, or third party. For this example, I'm going to select Visa, MasterCard, tap on add card, fill in the details on this next page, such as your first, last name, and your card number. Tap next, confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's how to buy USDT on Bitget. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.